Okay, we're back. Okay, so that's how his dumplings look. So how much you gonna make?
Full that pot up.
Then I'm gonna show you how I make dumplings.
Check this curry, make sure it's not burning. Okay, give it a stir quickly. I'll get back to the dumplings. Yeah. Good. Alright, bro.
It looks good. Looks good.
Back to the dumplings.
How much you gonna do before I show you how to do it like a mouse?
Watch and learn first, man. Some people like the dumplings small, some like it huge.
And I'll show you how to make it like a boss.
This is a medium. Small medium. I'll show you the large.
Isn't that a large?
No, that's not a large. This is that extra large. This is gonna be a large.
I can't lie. I want to do
So
a
that's
big.
a large.
Wow. Those are you.
Maybe like 12 of this is good for me. 12 like this and 1 pound of chicken back.
Why does that look like a pizza roll? That looks like a
Right
pizza
in there.
roll. Okay, now
Make one more large. And little bro over here gonna show me his dumpling skills.
My
Wash
skills.
his hands and show me his dumpling skills.
My skills, I think, are way better than his.
You sure?
And my dumplings, they also have spice to it. That's how good they are. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how I make dumplings versus how I.
Come on, bro. Let me see your dumpling making skills. You see what you can do.
You don't know what is coming up. I make dumplings like a boss.
Make them so flat. Put the flour on your hand on the outside. You have to roll the dumpling in the flour
Oh, okay.
so it don't stick.
See, I know this.
And you
but
grab a bigger piece, man. That's small. You make a dumpling for babies.
No.
Yo, that's flat, man. What's that for? For the cat? Show that inside the pot. I want to see how that come out.
Actually, I was gonna do.
That's gonna be for your dinner for 5 weeks.
No. It's like one bite thing.
Throw it in there. What you doing? What's that? A Chinese dumpling? Gonna stuff that with some curry chicken?
Oh. What is?
Throw it inside.
Huh? I was gonna make it like a better shape. You have to get everything precise. Precise? Oh wow. So let me make my dumpling.
Yeah, man. Roll that flour up, man, into nice Jamaican dumplings. What size dumplings that? That's what.
Medium?
That look like a small, man. What kind of medium you talking about? Show it in the pot, man. Let it cook. You make ugly dumplings, man.
Throw it in there?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so. Okay, so now.
See if you're learning. The first one was very ugly. Let me see this one. See if it's gonna look a little bit better. Roll it, rub your hands together like. Yo, that waste my flour, man. That's to make my breakfast tomorrow, bro.
What are you even gonna make?
Banana fritters.
Oh, because I was just gonna eat waffles.
Come on, get the flour in the pot, bro.
Oh my gosh, it's not sticky! It's not sticky.
Come, just roll it up and put it in the pot. Squish it together. Spread it out. Don't put it in the middle of your hand. Use your fingers. Flat. You make it flat, you're still making it round.
Yeah.
Throw it inside there. Okay, there we have our dumplings in the pot. Just make them up. These ugly ones made by little bro.
Not even your brother.
Need to cover this down and let it simmer. Anyway, little bro is my son, but I just call him little bro. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Get this fire nice and hot. Yeah, that's it. Dumpling bubbling. Thyme and some scotch bonnet pepper to flavor up that curry. It's almost finished now, so we add some stuff at the end. Wash that off real quick. Throw it in there. Mix it up. Oh yeah, smells so delicious, man. That's how we cook at Jamaica, in the countryside, you know.
Yep, that's what he says. This is actually New York. No. This is actually New York. It's not the country at all. But let's just roll with it.
Oh, we want to make these dumplings delicious. We're gonna add a little piece of butter. Let it boil with that. But you know, back home we eat dumpling and butter just like that, nothing else. So add some butter in the pot so the dumpling get all the flavor from that. Oh yeah. More delicious.
Did you say delicious?
Delicious.
I only hear the delicious part. So look at that. Look how good that looks.
It's gonna be so delicious. Sure now the dumpling don't stick to the bottom. This one is the large. We have medium and we have.
That's the one that I made. Oh, my shoes. Shoes is getting burned. Oh.
Some good oat
So just
cooking,
look at those ones that I made. I made
cooking.
that one.
I have my farm right there. That's the farm right there. All my callaloo's getting old. Save the seed for next year. My tomatoes going down now.
Tomatoes.
Yep.
Oh wow, that
Delicious,
hurts.
man. So what you gotta say, bro? You think this meal is gonna be delicious?
Yeah.
How delicious? How about super duper?
Probably a 9.999.999.9.
Yep.
0.9.
That's what I think too. Good food, man.
Good eye. What am I saying?
Okay.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, why is this getting green?
The food is ready. Time for us to eat our delicious curry chicken and boiled dumplings. Small dumpling, right?
Yeah.
That's good for you?
Give me my one.
I think that's one.
No, that's yours. That's mine.
Which one?
That one.
Which one? This one?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
That's the one you want?
No, actually, give me that. Give me this one.
That's
Again, that's big. Okay.
Curry chicken back.
Sure.
Good. The gravy.
Yeah, that's nah.
Let me get mine. The jumbo. Start with the jumbo. That's for my first course. Chicken back. Right on top of that. Oh yeah. Delicious. That's it. Delicious curry chicken. Yeah, man. Wow, this looks so delicious, man. Look at that. How long will it take to cook that? Like a couple minutes? Damn.
No, 6 hours.
6 hours? No, man.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
That's not hot. You're a baby. Try it out.
I'm pretty close to baby. Yeah.
Try it out.
That
Good
is
stuff.
hot.
Wow, that's so delicious. Dumpling so tender. Look at the color of that curry. Wow. It's like the best curry ever. Nice, delicious. We have ginger, scallion, thyme, onions in there, some scotch bonnet pepper, with the turmeric to give it a nice color, right? A big dumpling
Oh,
though,
my
that's hot, man.
teeth.
Cut the dumpling, man.
Oh, that's so
Cut it.
hot.
That's so good.
I didn't even taste it yet.
That's good stuff, man. I have to eat this at least one time a week. It's good for you. Jamaican style curry chicken with boiled dumplings. This guy playing with his food. I'll finish this. I'm gonna start on yours. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Hope you try our recipe. Just chop up the stuff, throw them inside the pot, mix them up, get it delicious. Yeah. Like, subscribe. Thank you.
Peace.
Peace out. One love.
Peace out, Girl Scout.